Well, we are learning more tonight about why the state shut down a Spokane daycare yesterday. At the time, the Department of Early Learning told us that the director of Little Lambs Learning Center was being investigated for theft. Kalae Chock live now with public records that show exactly what that director is accused of.
And Nadine, an affidavit for the search warrant executed on the daycare yesterday accuses Director Lori Crull of fraudulent billing and for taking over $100,000 from the state in just a 5-month period. The state shut down the facility in the middle of the day, leaving parents worried and scrambling to pick up their kids.
The state investigators left an emergency message on her phone to come and pick up our children immediately from the daycare facility.
The affidavit for the search warrant shows the Office of Fraud and Accountability launched the investigation into Crull in April. It requested that she provide attendance records for the past 3 years. The state compared a 5-month sample of those records with billing submitted to the state and found that during that 5-month period, Crull overcharged the state almost $113,000. The state reimburses daycares for things like taking care of special needs kids, covering the cost of field trips. The state says that Crull fraudulently billed for these things and more. Now, the investigation began when a parent complained to the state that the facility wouldn't cover medical bills for her child who was injured at the center. She says that she accuses the daycare for retaliating upon that request. Now, the state worries that if Crull overbilled $113,000 in just 5 months, she likely stole even more. In the studio, I'm Kalae Chock, KXLY4 HD News.